Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys kitchen. Today we are going to make special masala fish curry recipe. We just need only 15 minutes for this yummy recipe. Let's move to the video. In a pan, take 4 tablespoon oil and heat it. When the oil is hot, add half teaspoon cumin seeds, 1/4 teaspoon fennel seeds, 2 chopped onion, 2 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Mix it well. Saute it for 4 minutes on medium flame until onion turns soft. When the onion turns soft, keep it low flame and add paste of 3 medium-sized tomatoes. Also add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1.5 teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon Garam Masala Powder, half teaspoon Fennel Powder, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri Red Chilli Powder, 1 teaspoon salt. Mix it well. Cook for 1 minute on low flame.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
Now add 1 cup of water. Close the lid and boil for 5 minutes on medium flame. After 5 minutes, open the lid. Add 400 grams of cleaned and washed fish cut into pieces. Close the lid and cook for 6 minutes on low flame. After 6 minutes, open the lid. Add half teaspoon pepper powder, half teaspoon kasuri methi. Gently mix it well. Cook for 1 minute. Switch off the flame. Our special masala fish curry is ready. Keep the lid closed and serve it after 30 minutes for best taste. We just need only 15 minutes for this yummy recipe.
If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.